Welcome to our YouTube video on Bill of Material. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what a Bill of Material means in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? A Bill of Material, or BOM, is a comprehensive list of all the components, materials, and subassemblies required to build a product. It serves as the blueprint for production, outlining the exact quantities, part numbers, and specifications needed for manufacturing. Think of a bill of material like a recipe in cooking. It tells you all the ingredients and their amounts to create the final dish. So, why is a bill of material so important? Because it ensures accuracy in production planning, reduces errors and waste, supports cost estimation, and provides a clear reference for engineering, procurement, and manufacturing teams. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.